Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Wednesday. It's February the 1st, 2012. We've got another short-sided trade for you. Looking at Ericsson Telephone Company, you got ticker symbols ERIC. And what we have, excuse me, what we have here is, it had a basic little sideways moving trading pattern, finding support at about this range here, and here, a little bit right there, and bouncing around here for a while, and then all of a sudden we just broke down to here. This major gap down move here, broke this support line that we saw right there, and now we've been trading back up, a little reactionary move after this big move to the downside, and moving back up here, and we're seeing the shooting star form right here. That's what that candlestick formation is, and it's a shooting star because you have the wick coming out of the top right there. That wick is indicating sell pressure. You should find sell pressure there because this right here used to be support. It broke down, so it's now going to start acting as resistance. A lot of people who were back here buying and trading up here and buying here and trading here and buying here liked this trade for a while, and then all of a sudden they got caught with their pants down. When that happens, all these people want out, so you get this little move back here, and now they're getting the opportunity to get out, basically where they got in. So they're liking that opportunity. That's what's adding to that sell pressure right there. Okay. Ultimately, I see this as obviously in a downtrend. You've got a series of lower lows going on, any way you want to analyze it, and I expect we'll see a series of lower highs. Now, let me clean that up a bit. One thing you got to note about this, when you're looking at this particular run here, you see that we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days to the upside. That's a lot, but it doesn't have to stop right now. Even though we have a shooting star candlestick formation, it doesn't necessarily mark the exact top. It did back here. You had one right there, but they don't have to do this. Sometimes you can see a push higher. So I can't look at this and say, okay, short here, use this high as the stop, and that's the peak. It's too early to say that. It may actually press higher. So what I could do is say from 942 or higher, I would short with a stop off of 1026 at 1027. That would make more sense to me. Looking for a test of this low and see if this really is the end of the sell-off, basically. So that's a short strategy you may play. Sorry. There's a couple different ways to do it. I'm not going to go into all the details. If you go to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, we have a bunch of videos there under the Trade School that shows you different methods to trade. One of them is trading the shooting star formation, which would allow you to put a stop right here, real small risk right there. You can watch that video if you want to know how to do that. If you don't, if you're just swing trading kind of thing, you can keep an eye on this. If she moves up any higher in this area, you can short it here, keep a stop off this high, look for the move to test lower, to test this low again. That would be the opportunity to make money on that. And that's the trade I have for you for a Thursday, okay? If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's 100% free. It's right there, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. If you agree with today's video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.